everyone, it's me, Greg. Okay, here. Let's start the reacting. It's so emotional. Okay, I skipped. Video is skipped. So, well, can you please skip that video? Good. Violation 7. 7! 7. Stop it, please. I hate that video. That's one of my greatest videos. You saw that, right? Please skip that. Then okay, that's one of my cringe videos from my Igsoon. You mean?
Creative mind,
No.
Full of surprises. Wrong to underestimate me. Strong but soft-hearted person. That is the most.
Stop that one! Okay, can you please skip the Minecraft one, please? Please skip the Minecraft. I changed my mind. Please, I won't let you maybe see the one of my Imagine that is silly Shanidal. Imagine that is silly Shanidal. Imagine that is me and my. But I won't tell you. No, please skip that. Hey! That's one of my greatest videos. Okay, can you please skip that part, please? I'm bored of that. Watching. I watch it like an hour. It always takes forever.
Everybody, it's me, Greg. I'm Greg Allen Muk.
Hi. What Greg Allen Mukbang? Huh? Mukbang? Do you think it's mukbang? What mukbanger? Hello?
Dark and...
Yes, it's very dark. We almost cannot see anything. It's like a black.
Agat Bayonetta's YouTube channel.
Like this.
First,
Like, it's just black like this.
We're gonna go to the night market.
No. It's just black like this. Do you think it's black? No. This black. This is black now. Like this.
We're walking. We're walking.
Walking. Please skip that. Okay. Good. And now here. I don't know why our TV is always loading. Yes, for sure. It's now. We're now at Tita Agot's house. Yes.
And then
We're arrived now like this. There.
Of this day.
Yes, part 2. But I don't know why I didn't post a part 2. And I thought it was the night market is open because it was Saturday, you know.
To the night market.
And I was just mukbang.
Subscribe. Bye.
Good. I'll be there for the highs and lows. I like that song. I'll be there for the highs. What was that? I'll be there. Hey, what was that? Hey, Please get that thing off me. Hey. Not. Please. Take that off. Please do not. Please cut it. Please.
Going to
Yes.
the market again.
Yes. I thought it's a night market, but no night market. I don't know why. I don't know why.
It's house from Glennie, August by Netta, and then we're going to the night market. It's a little bit muddy and a little dark.
Muddy.
Hey,
The video is gonna be new to old.
hey,
To the last.
no night
To the
market
first.
today.
Yes. No.
I thought there was a night
Yes.
market.
Okay. There. Okay, I'm just gonna give you part 2. Bye.